Hello, everybody. Welcome to today's live session. I'm sorry that I actually am doing the live session a bit late today. Today was a bit busy because Chinese New Year is around the corner. I also celebrate Chinese New Year. So then, me, when we were like, how to say, going to buy like a lot of stuff and all today, me and my wife. So then we were like very busy today. Yeah. So we just came back and then I was like, you know what? I still want to make a live session. I still want to speak to you guys because why? The best time, okay, in my opinion, literally the best time to analyze the market now. Okay, for what do we think the market or where do we think the market will be heading to? Is actually on the Sunday. Okay, I understand Bitcoin actually moves. This strategy mostly works for how to say other pairings that don't really run, especially on the weekdays now. Because why? We'll be able to analyze and understand uh, when the price actually stop moving, especially on Friday, right? I mean, early morning, Saturday morning, okay, when price stops moving, okay, because the market for those currencies are considered already off lah, gone already lah, okay, not gone, not in operation, all right. So that's why Sunday is a good time to regroup, to re-evaluate where do we think market is going to, what has market done already for the week. But then I personally have tried it also, especially for Bitcoin. And to be honest, it helped me give much more clarity because I know where is my ultimate aim, where I think market will be moving to, and so far and so forth. Okay, so later on I'll be placing the live stream on mute, but you guys can enjoy the music and just watch in the background as I analyze the market, and then I will give out my predictions and so far. Okay, this is really good by the way. This is my first time drinking this winter melon thing. I don't know, it's so nice. Actually got impressed. Okay. Also to share that for we have been really doing very well, especially in our Discord community of all of the predictions, all of the way how market is moving, and many more. All of them actually went to our TP zones, zones that we predicted. All of that I will be sharing into this live. So most importantly, with proof. Okay, I don't want to just tell you guys, oh, we've been doing well, but then without showing you guys any proof, right? Because the community that I want to build is genuine traders, where we genuinely share our predictions and we not just say it out loud, we will actually post it into our Discord community where there will be timestamps, proofs with screenshots showing the before and after market movements now. Okay? So if that sounds interesting guys, just stay tuned. Okay, we will get into that now. So for those that don't know or maybe that are new who have joined this live stream today, hi, thank you for joining. My name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now, and I have this goal in mind, basically a big dream, whereby I can actually build a community of genuine traders where we all can actually, how do you say, be a part of. We all can share our predictions, we all can learn together, and we all can basically trade and earn tons and tons and tons of profit stuff together. Lah. The reason why I had this goal also, I didn't really share this in my life before, but the reason why is because when I initially started to trade, okay, I did not have how to say a trading environment of friends or people that genuinely are interested in trading. I didn't have that. So they always say, right, put yourself in an environment of those that you want to become like, right? Because that is how you will actually be able to see and gain more success much quicker. Unfortunately, I didn't have that circle of community or people at the time, so that's why I actually went through a lot of bumps. A lot of times, I personally almost like quit trading. I even have took breaks from trading like for like 1 2 months. I didn't trade at all. Yeah, all of these things it's actually because of the me not being in a proper environment which is what actually delayed for me personally delayed my success in trading. Yeah, so ever since I found my path to profitability throughout years of experience, countless numbers of losing, and also, to be honest, countless hours of backtesting. Through that, I found my path to profitability, and then I realized that I saw the potential in trading, like how crazy and insane it is. Just pressing one button, you're printing money. Okay, don't get me wrong. I know it sounds like wow, so easy. Uh, I say this to all of my friends that genuinely want to come into trading. I mean, learn trading. Yes, trading is the easiest way to earn money. At the same time, it's the hardest way to earn money. Okay, you will understand that concept eventually. Why I said that. Okay, it's easy because just by a click of a button. The hard part is because it's you versus you. You are literally going against yourself, your own emotions, your own stress, your own greed. Yeah, it's because trading basically is a mind game. Right? The stronger you are in controlling your mind, the stricter you are in making sure you don't simply press buttons just because you saw a possible entry, the more and more you will find yourself in the path to profitability. This is just my own advice, my own opinion based on what I personally went through. This is not something I read from a book or I'm just simply saying aloud. All of this is really genuinely coming from what I personally went through. Okay? Yeah. So guys, before we analyze the market today, let's go through some, I won't say proofreading, but through some predictions that we just shared recently to our group, our Discord community, which by the way is 100% free for those that don't know. You guys can 100% join for free. The link is basically in the description of this video. All you have to do is tap on the link and you'll be directed to the free Discord community. Like I said, our goal is to build that genuine community of traders who are genuinely interested to become traders and are willing to sacrifice anything it takes to be there. Okay, that's another thing very important. That to become a successful trader is not as hard as you think, but the hardest part is, are you willing to sacrifice how to say anything that gets in the way of you to becoming that successful trader? So like for example, are you willing to give your time to, for example, like join the live streams that we do, basically filled with knowledge, okay, that you have to pay, well, for me personally my experience, I had to pay thousands of ringgit just to learn. Yeah, but I'm giving it all for free. All of this is for free because I genuinely want to build a community of traders who really want it so badly now. Yeah. So are you willing to sacrifice anything that comes in the way to become the trader that you always want to be? So this is very important. We can be giving you all of this free content, all of this free knowledge, right? All of this experience that I've gained personally, all of the advice, all of the motivation, anything. But if you guys are not willing to sacrifice or take time to learn and become better, practice, become better, none of this will actually work. So it really depends on you. Alright? So if you guys really genuinely, truly want to become traders, okay, please join the Discord community. 100% free. You'll be getting all of my live predictions, all of my analysis. Also, most importantly, what it truly takes to become a trader. Okay? Without further ado, guys, let's get into it. Let me see which one should I share first. Oh yeah, I also posted videos, tutorials about episode 1, which is about breaking down the complex concept of order blocks. I break it down so simple to the point that there's no way you guys won't understand what an order block is anymore. Okay? If you guys are interested, I already posted a tutorial on my YouTube page. Okay, basically it's episode 1 breaking down order blocks. You guys can find it very easily. And then yesterday I also posted, sorry, today I just posted another video, episode 2 in the afternoon. Basically it's simplifying SMC about support and resistance. So these are like very important, okay, key levels that you guys have to pay attention to, and you guys should be able to find. Okay, I broke it down like crazily by giving you guys, how to say, fun examples by changing the concepts of big players being chefs and them actually wanting to cook a very big meal. And where do they get those ingredients? Okay, I played around with this idea so that it'll be easy for you guys to understand it. Okay, so if you guys are truly, like I said, genuinely interested to become traders, you guys will not skip those because all of these, right? Episode 1, 2, 3, and so on, they actually are building blocks. There's a reason why I'm doing this in sequence because they are building blocks which eventually, when you put them together, they will become an extremely powerful trading strategy. Okay, so if you guys haven't watched that video already, right after this live session, please go do and watch it. It's only half an hour, okay? Trust me, if you guys think half an hour is long, okay? Think about it, huh? Half an hour and you will understand in depth of what an order block is, what support and resistance is. People take thousands just to learn these ideas, okay? We are giving you guys 100% for free and you can learn them in 30 minutes, okay? Trust me, go through the program, okay? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. If you're still confused, you guys can go and click in the link to join in the free Discord group where you can genuinely ask questions directly where I or my team will be answering you. Okay, and making sure that you guys are no longer confused about whatever confusions you guys might have. Okay? First off, before we go into today's prediction and sharing proof, I realized again I never edited the title before going live. So this is my own title where Bitcoin already broke that level. Also one of our predictions, by the way, guys. Okay, that was an amazing one. So give me a moment. You guys enjoy the music. Let me go and settle that first, okay? One moment. Alright guys, I did my best lah. I super think already about what title to put. Maybe I'll change it later lah. Okay. So without further ado, as promised, okay, let's get right into the video. So first off, right, I want to actually share with you guys a trade that actually I took. I believe this trade was taken on a Saturday. Yes, it was on a Saturday because my parents came over and decorated my house with CNY, which I was so grateful for. Okay, hold on one moment. Okay, maybe if we go on a smaller time frame, easier for you guys to get a replay. Maybe I just show it here, like, okay, not necessarily going to show the trade. Okay, so I'll be upfront. I didn't share this trade in my Discord, like my predictions and then why I think it will go down and so far and everything like. Okay, I didn't share this trade. The reason why is because my parents came over that day, and then I had to take my mom to go just for her checkup. Okay, we went to like this traditional uh, Chinese treatment, which is about acupuncture. I love them so much. I personally have back problems lah. Okay, for years. How many years? Well, I think over 10 years already. Cool. Yeah, I was suffering so much, but then I went to them. Just a few sessions. Okay, totally fine. Of course, I have to make sure that I maintain specific things based on what they recommend. All right, but trust me, like if you guys are facing any sort of like back pains, like it's been there so long, your hand or whatever, like, let me know. Okay, I will suggest to you guys. It's in Raya and Kopong also. All right, so let me break down this straight up. So from this trade, right? This was a Saturday, all right. So I always, my analysis always starts in Asia. Do I trade Asia session? If you ask me, sometimes yes, I do. I also shared it in our Discord group. I do that, okay? But I do. Okay, so what do I do first? This case I didn't trade. It would be a beautiful one, but I didn't. Okay, I start to realize. Okay, liquidity has been swept by Asia. All right, and then I'm seeing a strong move towards the downside. So this tells me that who is in control. For me, right, my priority is always understanding who is in control. Who do we have, guys? Think about it. The whole marketplace. All right, who do we have? Yesterday's, the episode 2, which again I highly recommend you guys go and watch. Okay, I spoke about the concept of the marketplace being an arena. All right, for those that don't know what is an arena, arena basically is like those days lah, the Roman Empire. Those people are very very cool and okay, they will have gladiators and these warriors and everything. They will actually be put inside of the arena to fight. Okay, they will fight with another person. The cool one in movies, I saw they fight lions lah, monsters lah. Very cool one. Okay, think of the marketplace like that. Because to be honest, it truly is an arena. Because why? We always have two people fighting, buyers and sellers. Okay, they always go to war with each other. Okay, this always happens. Trust me, this always happens. That is why we always seeing red, turquoise, red, turquoise, no, turquoise because I choose the color. I think it's turquoise lah. Okay, or maybe it's green, the mint green. Okay, but they're always having a battle between each other. So it's my personal preference. Okay, based on my trading strategy, I must always understand who is in control. So for those that are new, the buyers we call them bulls. Okay, the sellers, we call them bears. Alright, straight, okay. Bulls and bears, not so straight also. I'm not really that OCD, but I want to make sure that if anybody is, you guys don't feel like, why is this hanging? Okay, I'm looking out for everybody. Okay, so you guys see bulls and bears. Maybe let me make it bigger. And then I will also change the color for you guys. Okay. This is red because why? Going down basically means red. Green because going up means green. Okay. So bulls or bears. After liquidity has been taken, which direction are we moving to, guys? Which direction is this? Obviously, we are moving towards the downside. So, since we are moving to the downside, who is the very big highlighter says it? The bears. The bears are the winners, right? Okay. So my primary focus, okay, This can change. It doesn't mean if here bears means in London session it will be bears also. This can change, okay? But my primary focus right now, until I see based on my trading strategy, which I didn't see, that's why I said to myself, bears are in control. So where am I looking to push the market to? Downside. Okay? Very simple analysis. I just need to find who is in control. Remember this, guys. Always make sure you know who is in control. I share this in many of my live streams. Okay? We cannot move the markets. Who are we? We are retail traders. All right? Retail traders, basically, we are like can meaning to the market? No, we do have. Okay, without us, these big players all nothing to play. Okay, basically they play to attack us only. All right, so we are important, but the thing is, we do not move the market. We don't have power. Even if we put sell, right, we won't essentially move the markets like this. Okay, this is a very strong push down, guys. Imagine that this is a 1 minute time frame. Okay, from here, every one candle represents 1 minute. You see how many 1 minutes it can manage to push price. Okay, we cannot do this. Only someone with a lot of power, basically market makers, they only can move the market. All right. So it's my job to make sure. Well, not my job. It's my trading strategy to make sure I understand which market maker is in control. Is it the bulls or the bear? Since I know it's bear, okay, fine. Then I will make sure I focus on sell. Very simple. Huh? I always keep my trading strategy very simple. It's what I learned over the years. The more complicated it is, the more I suffer. Right? So when I come into London session, I cannot see certain things that I want to see. Okay? But I mean in terms of like bulls lah, I cannot see any bulls coming in. Alright? But then I start to realize this. You see this M5 here? Okay, this is a form of liquidity. If you guys are confused, right? Why am I only drawing this form of liquidity? Why not here? Why not here? Why not here? Why not here? There's a reason for that. Okay? There's specific levels of liquidity that I am only genuinely interested in. And these are all ties into my personal trading strategy. Okay? If you guys want to learn that, please join in Discord group, speak to our admins. Okay? We have this personalized schedule whereby I do this like every week quite a few times, whereby I have these special sessions only available on my exclusive Discord channel. Basically our Discord group, which you guys can join in for free. Alright? Even to get access to that how to say access to that session, right? Trust me, it's actually free. All right, there's just certain TNCs that you guys have to follow, and our admins will actually explain that to you. Asking is 100% for free, guys. To be honest, even joining that is 100% free. Just speak to our admins and just get blown away. But we only want people who are serious, who are genuinely interested to become traders. Okay, because personally, I don't want to spend my time sharing all of this valuable knowledge, all of my valuable time to anybody that is only here for fun. Because my goal is bigger than that. My goal generally is I want to make sure I build a community of genuine traders who can help everybody else. Okay, what I do for you guys, I expect you guys to do for others. Okay, that is what my big goal is now. That is why we're starting this now. Okay, so coming back to this, I saw price achieve strip liquidity. All right, and then I saw price pair moving down. Who is in control? Bears are in control. So basically, I just wait for price to come into mitigation. Okay, basically here. Okay, so once price comes into mitigation, this one right didn't. I'll be honest. I'll be honest with you guys. This didn't come into mitigation, but the moment I see right any sort of movement like this, I already entered already. I entered basically here. Wait, let me check my price. Let me check my price. That is a very beautiful trade. This is BTC. Yeah, this one I'm good. For not just for very difficult to do. Yeah, this one, guys, exactly here. This is my entry. All right. Maybe I can just put this on. Actually, you know what? Why am I making this so difficult? Yeah, yeah, done. This is my exact entry. Okay, this is the one now. Yes, I didn't wait. By right, if I wait, you see, price would have just came. Okay, but uh, the reason why price just came quite close by, and then I'm seeing like signs of bears come in, so that's why I just took the trade. I just entered the trade with my stop loss and also my take profit. All right, so basically this is a 1 to, in average 1 to 2, but it's a little bit more than 1 to 2 lah. So it's 1 to 2.46 R. All right, so this is the reason why. So I wait for price to come into mitigation, and then once I saw price start to move bearish, another reason why I entered already and I didn't want to wait anymore is because I saw this trend line liquidity. Okay, I saw price starting to move to the upside, and what's it doing? It is creating this liquidity zone, which is what. If you guys watch the video, please do episode 2. I spoke about this clearly about the power of liquidity. Episode 2, okay, is basically 50% of my trading strategy already. 50%. Because my trading strategy only relies on liquidity. That is the only thing I trade. I trade finding liquidity that price is going to go after. Okay, and I use bears or bulls as my buyers to understand which button to press, buy or sell. And I wait for certain things for price to come into certain levels, and I wait for reactions. So episode 2 that I just released is basically 50% already, guys, of my trading strategy. Please do go watch that video. There's a lot to learn. I really broke it down as simple as I can so that you guys can finally understand the concept of liquidity. Okay, I know I said support and resistance, but liquidity is part of resistance. Okay, so guys, so see, once price comes close to mitigation and I saw this trend on liquidity, I entered my trade, I put my stop loss, and also my take profit here. Okay, if you ask me why this is my take profit, I put it close by to the liquidity that I'm looking of here lah. Okay, this would be a very nice place to send my take profit roughly here. Okay, about almost 1 to 3 lah. Even can go also 1 to 3, but I didn't like, especially I was outside at the time. I do not. Hello teacher, sharp entry always. Hello, thank you for joining. Okay, I personally do not enjoy entering my trades if I'm away from my computer and my laptop. I always enter for my phone, yes, now, but I don't like if I'm just analyzing this based on my phone alone. Okay, because I don't really have so much of good experience with that. Okay, of course, after time passed by, I got a lot better at it. But I personally very strict whether I only trade when I'm actually in my office, my home office, with my laptop and my phone by my side. So I only enter based on what I see because the laptop screen for me is bigger and I can see more things. Alright, it's easier for me to see. So, but this one, it was a Saturday, so my lot size, I more than 50% I reduced. Okay, because usually the lot size that I trade a lot lesser because my trades on the weekends, I mean, got a lot better, but still, there are so many entries that I never entered because like this now, you see, price didn't came into my zone. Yeah, so this is what usually happens now for me on the weekend. But this trade I just entered, I put a lot smaller lot size. That's why you see my SL is usually bigger than usual. But it's still, if I lose anything, it's still based on my account sizes. I'm losing 1%. I'm not 1%, but almost 1%. Yeah. So this is essentially why I entered the trade. We came here, I entered the trade, I saw this trend in liquidity, and then I closed off my take profit. I just wanted at least 1 to 2. I didn't mind even though I saw this liquidity here, which I could have hold, but for me, more than earning profits, most important is actually about understanding if what I'm seeing is correct, if my analysis is correct, if my strategy is correct. For this case, it was. To be honest, guys, it's very simple. Okay, if you guys are confused, I've been there before. Okay, don't worry. You see, where price goes after that. You see, imagine if I wait for this, right? And this was my actual TP. Price will go until here. Of course, I won't lose because I have my own personal strategy. I will drag my SL above my break even, but I won't be earning the whole move down for this trade. For this case, I did lah. Okay, it wasn't as much as usual, but still a bit. Okay, then after that, price starts to move higher, so much more higher, guys. I'll show you. I go to 5 minutes. I show you guys. Yeah, I started to go a lot higher, a lot higher. Yeah. So you see, after the prices move up, why price move up after price took my take profit? Basically my TP. Because ta-da, see? Bulls now come into play. Basically bulls took over the market. Okay? So when bulls take over the market, which direction will it go? Obviously up lah. Okay, because bulls are in control right now, guys. So obviously we'll move towards the upside. Right? So this one is so easy lah, easy to understand. Okay, sweep of liquidity. This would be a beautiful entry here. Okay, because why? Based on my trading strategy, this is mitigation. All right, I even got a template for this. This is basically mitigation, guys. I'm not sad. I'm totally okay, but it's just beautiful to see like how price is moving. Yeah, I love to see how price moves. Okay, as traders, you guys should too. Basically, price for me is like art. Basically, it's like a painting. I can just look at it all day, and I do. To be honest, I do. Okay, I love to see price, especially how it moves. That's how it teach me a lot about its behavior and so far. And then also, I like to mostly focus on specific pairings. Okay, I focus a lot on BTC, basically Bitcoin, Ethereum. Now, actually, we're putting in Dogecoin. Okay, a friend of mine recommended this one. Trump, I just recently only put okay, I'm not trading this anymore. It's getting quite sketchy this one. I also heard like news online already. This is like something like a biggest pull, not to say scam, but just to collect some funds they did it. Yeah, but I'm not so sure So this one most probably memang won't enter anymore. Yeah, Dogecoin also I'm getting quite interested now because my friend recommended it. But primarily I always focus on BTC and also Ethereum. So the more you focus on certain things, you will understand that specific market behavior, how that market moves in certain times, how that market behaves in certain times, how often when bears come in, what will happen, bulls come in, what will happen, what is the average pips of how much the market can move. All of these things, right, you guys should be able to understand and analyze as traders. Okay? Okay, so again, this would have been a beautiful entry based on my trading strategy. This is an entry, okay? This is so pretty. I don't even know how many R is this. This will be my stops, below the low. How high did this go? Okay, wow, almost 1 to 6. Oh, actually, it did go higher. 7. If you ask me, I could get 1 to 7 before or not, but not all the time. Not all the time because my trades, I'm very strict. I usually always make sure that I stick to 1 to 3 to 1 to 2 because I found profitability through making sure that I stick to this SOP that I set for myself. Okay, trading doesn't mean okay, doesn't mean I have to give disclaimer. Doesn't mean if my SOP is like that, you guys have to follow me. No such thing, okay. Don't listen to anybody else also, even though if they got so many years of experience, right? Listen to me lah. Okay. I mean in terms of knowledge, you listen because they will teach you so many things. But if they tell you to follow exactly what they're doing, trust me, don't. Okay, that's not trading. Trading is a Rubik's Cube concept. I understand this very wrongly. I follow certain people last time. Last time they always say, okay, set TP here, set SL here, And then when I get out the trade, they will say, why you get out too early? Don't have this idea. Okay, it's very wrong. Trading Basically, it's freedom for you. Okay, it's a Rubik's cube. Why I keep saying Rubik's cube is because to solve a Rubik's cube, there is so many combinations. You will hear me say this in every single video. Okay, the reason why is because I generally mean it, and I want anybody that new that just came in to understand that. Okay, if you are a trader, you are holding your own Rubik's cube. Whatever combination you choose to do, as long as you can solve that Rubik's cube, you are doing okay. Just know that. To solve a Rubik's cube, there are 1 billion over combinations. You can give 10 people that know how to solve it. Most probably none of them will use the same combination. But all of them will get one same result. Just some will get it faster, some will get it slower. That is why you need to practice. In time, you will get better and better and better. Same thing in trading. Okay? If mine is 1 to 2 or 1 to 3 in average, if you want to go 1 to 4 or 1 to 1, go for it. Okay, maybe you can enhance my trading strategy and make it better. I'll be so happy, to be honest. Just remember teach me lah. Okay? Remember, trading community, I say we learn together. Right. So everybody win what? That's what I want. That judge your trading. Or anybody that say you guys are doing it wrong. If you are seeing genuine positive results, you are doing it right. Okay? Don't take it for granted. Just refining your strategy to make it better is never a wrong thing to do. Okay? Don't take it too hard on yourself, guys. Okay, so now, like I said, this one I didn't share in my group. Okay, so I cannot show any proof for this slide. Okay, but this is a genuine trade that I took. This one, okay, this one I did sell. We just put here so that we won't be keep on moving to the front. Okay, let me show. Guys, I know already now I can copy and paste, especially in TradingView, which is so nice, easy for me. Let me take a screenshot of it. Okay, screenshot. Just this one. Okay. I sent it also at 4:54 a.m. If any of you guys wondering, you never sleep yet? I never sleep yet. I was preparing content and also material for my next uh, calendar sessions for traders. I am genuinely dead serious to make you guys become successful. If you guys are dead serious to sacrifice anything to become successful, I can almost guarantee your success. I'll make sure that happens. Just depend on you guys now. Okay, see ya. Yesterday, 4:54 a.m. Traders, just a heads up on BTC. Okay, you see drawing exactly the same Okay, see the time 4:54 a.m. yesterday. Okay, I'm not making this up. Traders, just a heads up on BTC. BTC is Bitcoin. I believe that price may go back to the little red box I drew below. See? It's a Sunday. The movement may not be as strong as what a usual weekday may be. However, just keep an eye out on any form of price movement, especially for bearish move down. Okay, this is what I said. You guys saw already? See what happens, guys. Can you see? Price moved exactly as what we predicted, a bearish move down towards the little red box. How can we know this? What time did this happen? You see, 6:05 guys, 6 around 6 a.m. only. Then only the price starts to move. Okay, 6:10 not to be exact. 6:10 only price starts to move down. But we were able to predict this at 4:53 a.m. Was it 4:53? 4:54 a.m. in the morning. How can we do that? This is years of experience and countless hours of backtesting. That's all. And then also I will show you guys. I will send inside of our okay. Okay, see? I send also. Guys, to join a group like this is free. Okay, there's nothing specifically that we want to get from you guys. Really, there's no hidden TNC. Just click the link if you want to test and see. You instantly be joined there. Okay, say 3:18 p.m. basically today lah. I kind of woke up late lah. Usually I wake up afternoon. I should change that. So also traders actually predicted the market did move towards literal box. We predicted this hours before the move even happened. If you ask me how can I know this, this is just years of experience and colors and also practice, which you can definitely learn to do too. And I mean that. I genuinely mean that. Okay? I was nowhere close to who I am today in terms of how I can market. And I'm still working very hard to become better. Okay, because I really feel I can be much more better. Because if you ask me, do I sometimes make losses? Sometimes yes, but recently, to be honest, ever since I never faced any loss, touch wood. Okay, because my before the Discord community started, my trading strategy became so much more strict. Okay, trust me, the more strict you are, the more profits you will see. Okay, and the better your mindset will become. Okay, I genuinely don't simply enter trades anymore. The Saturday one is an exception. The reason why is because I was outside. By right means I should not enter. So I still got right in my journal. I got mentioned that by right is not something I should celebrate a lot because by right I shouldn't enter the trade, which is true. I agree. Yeah, but trade did move in the actual move down line. So I give myself credit, but at the same time I also discipline myself by saying that it's actually this is not a real victory. Why is not a real victory, guys? Is because only victory counts if you follow your own SOPs and your own set of rules. That is considered victory. If you go against what you set for yourself, that means you never listen to yourself also. How is that a victory? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Yeah, so we continue this, huh? Just trust in the process, be willing to sacrifice your time and go to the things I said here, the videos I post, especially the live stream, where we will do predictions already almost daily, and in time you guys will start to send these types of predictions in this group for me to look out for. And that's truly something I'm definitely looking forward to. This is all genuinely how I feel. Okay, I'm really looking forward for this. Okay, I want to see your predictions. You don't have to be how to say years of experience like me to be entitled to send this. I love to see anybody's predictions. Okay, that's how we learn. Okay, there's no such thing as wrong or right. Remember, whenever you want to tell yourself, yeah, what if I'm wrong? What if my analysis is not correct? Rubik's cube. Your combination may be different, but it doesn't mean it's wrong. You can potentially still get the same results. But if you never try, how you know your Rubik's cube? How will it work? What combinations work? How will you know? You think if you think I never make mistakes growing up, oh my god. I mean not growing up, I mean trading, oh my god. There's a reason why 3 years, guys. Okay? 1 year and I think 7 months. I can't recall 1 year 7 months or 1 year 6 months or 1 year 8 months. No. One day I'll calculate properly, then I will give a clear answer. Okay? About 1 year, about 7 months or 8 months. Okay? All lost, guys. I was winning, and then lost. Winning, and then lost. I used to work in a company, a nice company, Grab, last time. I even did trading there. Some of the people that actually were working with me, so they could see my screen. I was doing at the time also. Okay. I thought, wow, doing trading so cool. It is cool. It is cool. I would say it's not cool. Okay, but even that time also, I was already doing it. Yeah, but those time is that really all I'm seeing so much losses. I blew up so many accounts, or but I'm very thankful that I never give up. Also thanks to my wife's support, thanks to like how much she believe in me. I believe, because to be honest, trading will tear you down if you are not in the right environment. Okay, that's what we are building, the correct environment, which is the Discord community. Okay, when you're in the correct environment, right? When you align yourself with people with the same goals and same mindset, whenever you feel lost, those people will get you back on track. I'm so thankful that I have at least one person to always put me back on track, always believe in me, always push me, always tell me that I can do it. Without that person, I guarantee right now I'll be working another desk job sometime. To be honest, I have to be raw and real with you guys. Okay. So again, join the community, guys. If whenever you get out of track or anything, we will put you back. We will constantly give you mindsets, okay, motivations, predictions, so that if you guys cannot find these kind of things, we will find it for you. But all you have to do is try. Never be afraid to try. Okay? If you guys don't try, like I said, your Rubik's Cube, the combination will never work. Okay? So you see guys, just based on this, we can predict that price will go these hours before the move even happened. And this is a beautiful sell entry. Okay, this one here. Stops above the high, targets here, because I won't put lower than that because based on my trading strategies here. See? Almost 1 to 2. Even if you want 1 to 2, so can see 1 to 2. Personally, I will always put at least 1 to 2 lah. So most probably I will put it here, but I will see how price react when it reach to this zone. If I see any rejection, I already out of the trade already. Yeah, you see? These are things that we predict almost daily, guys. Okay? If you guys really interested to learn, right? And not only interested, I don't want interested. I want genuinely, like crazily, you guys want to become traders and willing to do whatever it takes, right? Please reach out to us in the Discord group. Okay, join for free. Learn all of the contents, the free contents. Join the live sessions. Okay, our goal is to make you better, guys. Not make me better, make you better. Okay, we're doing it for free. So please do join. Very easy. Just click on the link and you'll be directed into that group. Okay? So without further ado, let us go into today's session. Let me remove the drawings. I don't need drawings anymore. Okay, so hold on, wait, maybe I prepare the drawing first. I'm too fast. This is what I want to keep. Okay, the rest what I don't. So all these previous predictions that we do, which you can see that all of them according to what we predicted, and all of them have timestamps that we have sent it inside of our Discord community. Okay guys, so now what I will do, I will put you guys on mute for a while, okay, while I analyze the market, then I will give my predictions, okay, then we can understand and have a kind of like a slight understanding of where we think price may potentially be going towards to, okay. Okay, so put the music for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, guys, thank you so much for holding on the line. Okay, so I did my predictions now. So basically, the reason why, right, I never remove this line, right, is important for me is because in my trading strategy, okay, this is the last form of resistance before price will start to fly. Fly basically means up. Okay, for those that don't know, I truly believe that eventually Bitcoin will be moving towards the upside and maybe making a lot new record highs now. Okay, the highest one that it did so far is 109,000. For me, this is the last form of resistance zone. Again, if you guys don't know what is resistance, what is support, please watch my episode 2. After that, you will no longer be confused. You can actually start teaching people already. Okay, that's how crazily easy I've broken it down into. Okay, please do go watch it guys after this live. Okay, episode 2. Okay, so based on my 4 hour and daily, I couldn't see much price movements. Okay, because overall it's the buy side because we are still in a bullish movement up. Okay, how if you want to see a bearish? Okay, basically this zone has to be broken. Okay, if price breaks below anything lah, doesn't matter lah. Okay, anywhere, let's say here also, price breaks below. Okay, and then only we will start to see a potential move towards the downside. But price didn't break this zone, so this means that we are still very much in a bullish trend up. However, in our bigger time frames, we are seeing a consolidation phase. For those that don't know, consolidation basically means the market moves like this, static, basically sideways or ranging. Okay, there's quite a few terms about it, all mean the same thing. The reason why is because it's a weekend, I believe. Okay, and the weekends don't really have that much of momentum in the market, volume. Basically, that's why it's moving in a sideway. Okay, so then I go into smaller time frames and I start to find out a few more detail. Okay, 1 hour also I can already see much because basically it's in a sideway. Okay, this is most probably is a pullback. Why I say pullback is because price always moves in this way. Okay, impulse pullback, impulse pullback, impulse pullback. This is what price will move like always. Okay, for years already the market has been here. This is the price movement, basically their pattern. Okay, so we can see right now this is what this is impulse, right? Basically this is a pullback, and then now most probably we are in a sideways. Okay, this is what is happening right now. So then I go into 15 minutes, then I start to see even clearer things. Now I realize this is a support range where price has tried to break this one quite a few times, but it couldn't. Basically, this is the floor or trampoline. Another hint, trampoline. This concept all I share in my episode 2 of breaking down support and resistance. Please watch it, guys. Again, really, because you guys will be able to use this in your own trading strategy after you watch the video, and it will be so powerful. Just support and resistance you can trade off. Trust me. If you just know where support is and resistance is, you can basically trade already. That's powerful they are. If you realize this is a strong support, see every time price come in, you see a bullish candle. If you were to enter, okay, let's say you set 1 to 2. Where is 1 to 2? See 1 to 2, roughly here. See? Profit. TTP. If you want 1 to 3, also can. See, 1 to 3. See? Profit. Let's try again. See? Price come in. Where's the bullish candle? This is the bullish candle. Okay. Below the candle. Okay. Where is your 1 to 3? This one means never hit yet. 1 to 3. 1 to 3 will be higher. Okay. But still, right now, right, even your 1 to 3 be higher. Where's your 1 to 3? 1 to 3 will be here. Okay. Still, you are in profits. Right now, you are running profits right now. If you put break even after this, right, why you want to worry? Nothing to worry already. So based off support resistance, right, also you guys can trade already. That's why I say please watch the episode 2 video. It really will benefit you guys like crazy, trust me. Okay, so I realize this is a support range and it's been holding price for quite some time now right now. This is a 15-minute time frame, which is also something we have to understand. Alright? And in a 15-minute time frame, each candle represents 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, one candle will close. So see how many time has passed by and candle cannot break through this zone. So I identify this as a support range. Basically, the big players have placed a lot of orders here, which is stopping price from moving any lower. Okay, so I respect that. Their decision why they move the market. Okay, So we must respect that and understand that. So what else I realized? Okay, I realized actually in Asia session, this was yesterday. Okay, price took out liquidity in M15. Okay, and then it created a H4 liquidity zone, and then price reacted towards the downside. Bearish was basically the best weight control. Okay, as price go all the way down, I start to realize the H4 liquidity has been broken, and then price starts to strongly move all the way up. Potentially, only potentially, where bulls are in control. I cannot confirm yet this one. The reason why is because I need to see if price comes into mitigation and respects. So this golden zone is what I draw lah. Okay, basically it's mitigation. I want to wait and see when price comes in. Right now, also price moving down. I want to see when price comes into this zone. Basically, what's this zone? What's this zone? 104,587. Okay, let me write it down. 587. Why is it green? Oh yeah, there's not two pairs. Basically this range. Okay, well, let me check again. 104,587. Okay, and also round numbers. Okay, that means behind don't have any decimals. Okay, after the point, like this one, 104,587 don't have 0.01, 0.02. They're very powerful zones. Okay, usually when price comes into that zone, and if you have managed to find any key levels there, usually there will be a strong reaction. Okay, either towards the upside or the downside. Okay, this is just a tip for you guys. So I want to see when price comes here. I won't enter trade. I'm a reaction trader. So that is what I will do. I will wait and see what is price doing. I want to understand, is price respecting? If price is respecting, am I seeing bulls in the market? If I can see certain things happen, then I will enter my buy. And where is my target? Ultimate will of course be this H4 that has been created after this candle has taken out the M15 liquidity zone. Okay, but for a safer target for my 1 to 3, if this respects, okay, my SL will be below the support range. Okay, safer range is New York's high. Basically 1 to 2 R, almost 1 to 3 R. Okay, but this kind of move line usually is quite strong. So this will be TP1, this will be TP2, this will be TP3. Okay, ultimate will be here. So my TP essentially I will set here, but then I will trail my stop loss every time when price comes close line. So when I reach TP1, I will take partial sell. TP2, I will take another partial sell, and then I will trail my SL. Then I will just leave it for it to go. Okay, you guys saw it here. Our predictions live. Huh? Just put this in. Actually, yeah, I never set the TP's template. I should do that. TP1, maybe later I do it. Okay. This TP2, this used to be mitigation. Okay, I can remove mitigation. Basically, this zone show me seller's position control. TP2. If you guys are planning to enter this trade, of course, please, it's actually a good trade, but wait for price to come into mitigation, wait for reaction and see who is in control. Always remember this. Control is everything in trading. It's basically our TP. Okay, H4. Okay. Oh, sorry. Final TP. Okay. But you guys saw it here. This is my predictions now. Basically, I predict price to come roughly to this zone. Okay, I want to see a reaction. Maybe price will also bounce a little bit inside the support because there is where the funding power is. Okay, then I want to see specific things happen based on my trading strategy, and I want to see who is in control, bulls or not. If bulls are in control, then I will personally also enter this trade. So I will be setting my alerts, basically an alarm. Okay, so I will also know. I will also be taking a screenshot of this and sending this inside of our Discord community. One moment, guys. Let me just do it. Priorities, seeing you guys successful is my priority. You guys willing to give me your time, your sacrifice the learning, I will also do my best. Yes, yes. Just keep share I forgot to share my live stream session. Too late now, already gonna end already. But you know what? Never mind. Let me just do that. Okay, just one moment. So I'll share. Okay, guys. Yeah, so basically this is my prediction, guys, for BTC. I really truly believe that we will still be moving towards the upside, okay? Because I'm not seeing any significant moves towards the downside, even though I see sellers are in power here, sellers are in power here, but now I'm starting to see bulls come in. But of course, in trading, nothing is 100%, okay? That's why I set certain things where I want to make sure I can see who is genuinely in control, okay? If bulls are in control, then only I will be interested to be entering for a buy for basically a long opportunity. But if sellers are in control, then I will reanalyze my strategy and find out where potential price may be heading to. Okay, so guys, if anything also I will share lah, especially in my exclusive Discord channel, which is 100% free. I think I'll be ending the live session today. I really appreciate every single one of you that joined, and every single one of you that joined even after this live session. Thank you so much. I will remind again, please go through the episode 1 and episode 2 that I launched, the basically tutorials. Each of them is roughly half an hour, and they are genuine strategies that you can already start applying right now in your trading strategy, but you have to watch them in sequence because they will eventually become one powerful trading strategy in the end. Okay? Also, to highlight again our free Discord community, very easy to join, guys. Just click in the link and you'll be how to say invited into that group where you will get my live predictions, my daily mappings, motivation, fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and many more. And all of these live events call out, especially the exclusive Discord members only. How to say? Uh, Basically like a mentorship lah, okay? That only Discord members are allowed to join. You guys will be invited also. Okay. If you guys are interested, just join. You can chat with our admins also if you're interested to find out more about these mentorship things. Okay, guys, trust me, it is still free. Okay, speak to them and then you'll find out. All right, we just genuinely want people who really are willing to sacrifice their time, sacrifice everything to become a trader. Okay, a professional and successful one. Because that's what genuinely you need to do. Only you need to sacrifice this from your time. Everything else, I will do my best. All right. Again, guys, thank you so much for joining today's live session. I hope it was insightful for every single one of you. Okay, I enjoy speaking to you guys, especially on this thing also lah. Genuinely, I thought I just wanted to not do anything today, but I still want to speak to you guys today. All right. Have a wonderful, I cannot say Sunday, Monday. Okay. I will see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye.